goodness.
Oh, I'm hot.
We ain't even started chicken.
Jesus. It'd be worth it though. It'd be worth it.
You doing the right thing over there. You breathing. Breathe. Y'all be forgetting to breathe. You checking your heart.
I'm solid. It's probably the 100 already.
Wax strips. I'm almost finished putting it to the wax. Then we're gonna get to the good part.
The West? Nah, that's the good part when the West on. The pulling is the difficult part.
Alright, so we're starting with the outer part first.
God damn, Zoe. Shit.
She got a chance to see if she's still alive. Oh my goodness. I ain't give you a countdown. I was trying to see if that's gonna work. Because that ain't work.
Hell no, that ain't work.
1, 2, 3. That was better.
Oh, shit.
That was better.
Wow, look at my palm.
1, 2. You did not breathe.
Oh, I forgot.
You want to touch the towel?
Come on in.
Alright, don't forget to breathe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
This is real. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. 1, 2, 3. You did good. 1, 2, 3.
And I said I was gonna sit with you. Miss me.
You gotta keep coming back.
I ain't even drink this water bottle. I'm gonna hold on to it.
After I do lips, it's just your butt.
I'm shaking.
Remember to breathe, okay? Do not pass out on my table.
So, hold on now. Let me drink some water.
Somewhere. I don't even know where it went.
Oh, shit. Lift it on my forehead.
I got that on camera. 2, 3.
Oh, shit. God damn.
We got it.
I'm gonna cry.
You wanna breathe real quick?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm breaking sweat.
1, 2, 3. Look how thick that is.
Damn.
You see them little white bugs? The bigger they are, the thicker the heavier. The more you come, the smaller and thinner
I
they
didn't
get.
think my stuff. I'm sweating all around. So hot. Oh my God.
Like that. That was the easiest one, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. But surprisingly, when I got a wax, it actually waxed. My hair, first time I got a wax, my hair didn't grow back like full until like the 3rd week or something like that. That's why I say it's work. That's why I say I wouldn't mind doing it.
You just have to be consistent.
Yeah. I know.
Starting today.